Hey everybody, welcome back to Kimberly's Kitchen. Today we are making some easy potato salad. I'm not a fancy smancy cooker, so I don't make it hard. It's very simple. I just use the basics and it tastes delicious. So come on along with me while I prepare it. Oh, and before you forget, if you like our channel and you like what we're doing, because let me tell you, we're just having a ball out here doing it and we're trying to grow and just have more fun. So if you like what we're doing, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and share us with all your family and friends, and we greatly appreciate it. All right, enough of all that. Let's get to cooking. So when I do my potato salad, I don't like to take all the skin off the potatoes. I like to leave just a little bit of skin on. Not a whole lot, but I do like a little bit of skin. So that's about all this baby's gonna be peeled, and she's gonna go into the water for boiling. It's gonna get hot in here. So I have rinsed my potatoes. You can see they're nice and clean. I don't like to make small diced up pieces because I want them chunky so they don't get mushy. So I'm just gonna keep them whole like this. And these are gonna go into some boiling water that I've also added a little bit of salt to. So it's time to go in the water. Okay, so today I have cut up 6 potatoes. They are in the water. It is salted water. It's starting to boil just a little bit now. So we're just gonna let them stay in there until they're nice and tender. I've already sliced and peeled and sliced my onion. And as you all know, I love my dicer. Easy peasy. And voila. Okay, so our onion is diced and ready to go. So for everybody out there that has to have exact measurements, you're probably not gonna be a happy camper with me because I go more so on taste than anything, but I can give you pretty much what I started with. So I'm using 6 potatoes today, 6 boiled eggs, a whole onion except for this much of it. So like maybe a 1/4 of it was left because that was a pretty good size onion. This is what it did in my dicer. So also I am using pink Himalayan salt. I'm using black peppercorns. Some people like sweet relish. I like dill relish. Love me some dill pickles. And I prefer Duke's mayo, so we're using Duke's. And just to top all of that off, we're gonna do a little smoked paprika, and it's gonna be so good, y'all. Like I said, I'm a simple cook. I don't go all fancy smancy, so you're gonna find a simple, down-to-earth, oops, I forgot one thing, mustard. So yeah, we're gonna have some mustard. It's gonna be a mustard and mayo based potato salad, and it's gonna be so good. Y'all come and check it out. You can see our potatoes are boiling well, and they will come out when I can take a fork and mash them. So they won't be too hard, but they won't be mushy either. They're gonna be just right. Okay, my potatoes are finished. The way I can tell, I pulled this one out, it's one of the bigger ones. I can smush it just like that with my fork. It's still got just a teeny tiny bit of crunch right there in the center, but very, very little. See, that smushes up nice? All right, it's time to put this potato salad together. To use the same amount of eggs as I do, oops, I think I just cracked that one, as I do potatoes. I sure did. So we use 6 potatoes, so today we are using 6 eggs, and we're gonna boil those for about 10 to 12 minutes to make sure that they are done all the way through. So we have steaming hot potatoes, and you can see all the chunks and see the skin. Now, I don't like mine like mashed potatoes, so I take my potato masher and I do just a few, like on the 4 corners, like so. I mean, you can do it any way you want. You might like more smushed up potatoes, but I like to keep mine a little bit lumpy. So that's about all I'm gonna do to that. Yummy. Shell's coming off really well. I just boiled these for 12 minutes in some salt water, and then once they were finished boiling, I let them sit on the hot eye of my stovetop for just a few minutes longer. And then I put them under cold water until they were cool. Because, I mean, you know, if you don't cool them off, you get your fingers burnt whenever you're doing this. But anyway, those peeled up nicely. So now we're just gonna dice our eggs. Voila. Okay, we're gonna start putting this big bad potato salad together. Now there's no rhyme or reason as to what order that I put things in right now. I'm putting my Duke's mayo. I always like to get every last bit out of the jar. So that was one jar. This is a Pampered Chef spatula thingy. And I just did 1.5 of those, and I'm fixing to do another one. Make sure it's good and creamy, and I'm probably gonna add, well, let's do another one. Yeah, so there's about 2, 3.5 Pampered Chef spatulas of Duke's mayo. I'm going to throw in, now like I said, this is a fairly good size onion, and we did all but, I'd say we did 3/4 of the onion. So it's gonna go in just like so. And I have taken my 6 eggs and just chopped them up with my handy dandy chopper here. I wanna say I picked this up at Walmart, but I don't remember for sure. So there's our eggs. And I have about, what I did is I just took this pepper grinder and I grinded it up into the lid. So that's probably about a tablespoon that we're gonna start with. Now let's take that back to less than a tablespoon. That's gonna be about 1.5 teaspoons. I did the same with the salt. Dump that in. I'm sure that I'm gonna add more. There's like, no way I'm not gonna add more. So now I'm gonna take our pickle relish. And like I said, I'm just gonna start out with smaller amounts so that I can add to it. There's a tablespoon of dill pickle relish. 2 tablespoons of dill pickle relish, and I'm gonna go in with a third one. So 3 tablespoons of dill pickle relish. And then we're just gonna start to combine and do a mixy on all of the ingredients. And yeah. And then when I get done mixing all this, that's when I'm gonna add my mustard and we'll do a final taste test. So I've got it mixed. I did add a little more salt and a little more pepper. And this is what it looks like before the mustard. Now I'm gonna have Charlie come over here and taste of it and see what it needs before I put the mustard in it. Okay, Charlie? You are up.
Love me some tater salad.
Now this is before the mustard.
Why you want me to try it before the mustard?
So you can tell me what it needs before the mustard. Does it need salt, pepper?
It needs mustard.
That's all?
That's it.
So I have enough salt and pepper.
That's good, baby.
There's enough salt and pepper?
Yes.
Okay. Now go away so I can finish this. As you can tell, we had Charlie's approval before we add the mustard. So now I'm just gonna add the mustard. And I'm just gonna do some quick little, I don't want it too mustardy, but you know, I do like that mustard flavor. So I just sprinkle a little bit of mustard over top, mix it in real good, and the final taste will be coming up. Okay, y'all, it's time for the final drill, and you know how we get that.
Hi.
It worked. It works every time.
So we got some homemade Kimberly style tater salad.
Easy potato salad.
Easy.
Southern potato salad. Yummy potato salad.
Well, we'll see about that. Southern.
What do you taste?
A little bit of onion. A little bit of dill pickle. A little bit of mayonnaise, mustard.
Mayonnaise? You mean like Duke's mayo?
Mayonnaise and mustard. And some taters.
Does it pass? Is it good?
Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yay!
He likes my tater salad.
Yay!
Oh. Caper. You're so weird. Okay, y'all. So, what do you want to tell them? If you like us, you want to try this potato salad, let me know in comments if you did try it. Oh, no. Stop everything. Stop. I forgot paprika. We have to have paprika because it gives it just a little bit of smokiness. So here we go. Just sprinkle, sprinkle. Just like that. Whee! Paprika.
Hey.
Hey.
Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Here you go. Now try it. Sorry.
It just gives it that smoky edge. That's good stuff, y'all.
All right, so if you like this recipe, let me know in comments if you try it and what you think about it. It's simple, easy peasy. Like I said, I'm not over the top. I don't like a lot of different ingredients. I like to keep it simple and quick. So give it a shot. Let me know if you like it. But if you have your own favorite recipe for your potato salad, let me know what it is, because I might like to try that one too. If you like us, don't forget, hit that like button, thumbs up. We could use all the thumbs up we can get.
Oh, yeah.
Subscribe and share us out to all your friends and family. And please give us comments because we love hearing feedback from you guys. So, what do you say? We're headed to his parents. Is that going to be mom and dad approved?
Oh, yeah, definitely mom and dad approved.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
So tell them to come.
Come. Where are they going? Huh? Oh, come eat with us.
Come on along.